Welcome to Logic Booth at InfoComm India 2025. So today we are proud and excited to showcase our next generation collaboration ecosystem, that is Logic Workplaces. So Logic Workplaces is basically integrated, customizable meeting room solutions that is engineered to remove the complexity of the corporate meeting room setups. So instead of having the fragmented AV setups like displays, AV rack, conduits, and raceways, etc. So Logic Workplace delivers a simple plug-and-play solutions. So that is simple and fast to deploy and easy and simple and easy to use. Logic Workplace combines a lot of features like the display flexibility, whether it is a simple huddle room space with a single display or a 12 packs or 14 packs meeting room with a dual display with a conferencing solution, or it is an executive boardroom. So Logic Workplace Solutions covers it all. And also it allows you to integrate with us seamlessly with various collaborative tools like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom, etc. And the smart cable management and the design allows you to reduce or remove the AV equipment rack, raceways, conduits, etc. And the deployment time is reduced from weeks to days and days to hours.